Today we're making grilled chicken tacos. So let's get started. For our grilled chicken tacos, we're gonna need about 2 pounds of chicken tenders, some tortillas, some Mexican seasoning blend, some chipotle peppers in adobo sauce, a couple of tomatoes, some chicken broth, and some shredded cabbage. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to take our chipotle peppers and put them in a blender or a food processor, along with about a 1/4 cup of chicken stock, and we are going to blend it until it's smooth. So we got that there. Alright, then we're going to take this, and we are going to pour this into a large bowl. Then we are going to add in our chicken tenders. Along with our 2 tablespoons of Mexican seasoning blend. I'm going to give this a good mix. And as always, we need to be careful and remember, anytime we're working with raw meats, that we need to clean our hands before and after. So now this is going to go into a plastic bag, and we're going to let this marinate for a good 2 hours. And then once that's done, we'll be back and we'll start grilling up some tacos. So see you in a little bit. Alright, so our chicken tenders have been marinating for a good 3 hours. So let's go ahead and get these on a plate, and then we're gonna go get our grill heated up and start cooking these up. So we'll be back here in a little bit. Okay, so our grill is nice and hot. So now we're gonna put our chicken tenders on the grill. And we're gonna cook these about 3 to 4 minutes per side. And the last one's in. So like I said, we're going to let these go about 3 or 4 minutes, and then we'll be back and flip them over. So see you shortly. Okay, this has been going for about 4 minutes. So let's go ahead and have a look. Alright, we're getting some nice good grill marks on these, so we're going to flip them over. Alright, so we're going to let these go another 3 to 4 minutes, and then we're going to pull them off the grill and get our tacos set up. So we'll be back here shortly. Alright, so this has been going in an additional 4 minutes. Alright, they look nice and done. So let's go ahead and get these pulled off the grill. And now we have the last one. Turn all this off. And let's get up in the house. And we're going to go ahead and start putting some tacos together. So, be back in a little bit. Alright, so we've got everything set up and ready to go. So let's get us our tacos together. So we're going to get us a nice warm tortilla. Put us a chicken strip inside. I'm going to top that with a little bit of shredded cabbage. A little bit of tomatoes. And then we're going to do a drizzle of sriracha mayo. And doesn't that look good? So we're going to go ahead and set us up another one. Once again, a little bit of cabbage, a little bit of tomatoes. Oops. And a little drizzle of the sriracha mayo across the top. Alright, and we're going to serve this up with some guacamole and some sour cream. So, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. New videos are posted every Tuesday at 4. And until next time, enjoy!